Hello friends, I am Nagraj. A bit more about myself and machine learning. As I mentioned in the last video, I worked in the IT industry for 20 years and for 11 years I was in Qualcomm. Qualcomm is the world leader in mobile chipsets and they make Qualcomm Snapdragon chipsets that go into mobile handsets. I was fortunate in Qualcomm to work on some very interesting chipsets like Qualcomm Snapdragon 630, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 and 730, and these were very successful and they went into millions of handsets around the world, namely Oppo, Vivo and Xiaomi. Maybe the mobile device that you have has my chipset, I mean the chipset that I have worked on. I also studied from premium institutes like IIT Chennai, IIC Bangalore and worked in the Silicon Valley of the world, that is in the US. I can confidently say that I have worked with brightest and sharpest minds in both industry and academics. And why am I saying all this? That is because I want to establish credibility and maybe my story will inspire others. Now, why machine learning? Reason number one, from the childhood, mathematics has always been dear to me. I wanted to be a scientist, I wanted to be an entrepreneur, and machine learning has given me all this, a bit of mathematics, a bit like a scientist, because what do scientists do? They do the same thing. They do inventions, discoveries based on the observation, that is based on the data, and that's what is ML, right? Reason number two, just interest is not enough, right? You should do something that has bright prospects currently and also has bright prospects in the future. So machine learning has both of this. In 2018, the total business that was done in machine learning in the world was $21 billion. And in 2025, that's expected to reach $190 billion. And I'm sure in 2030, will be much more than that. And how about the jobs? There are lots of jobs in machine learning. And in fact, average salary of machine learning engineers in the US is 150k US dollars, and that is 1.1 crore rupees per year, and salaries are increasing in India also. Reason number three, you should always do something that gives you a deep sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Machine learning has given me this. Reason number four, you should always do something that has contribution towards society, and machine learning is going to be the next biggest industrial revolution. So the nations and society is going to get benefited by machine learning engineers. So my way of contribution is by teaching machine learning to people, and maybe you can contribute to society by learning machine learning and doing a job in machine learning or starting a company. I also contribute to society by teaching meditation, spirituality and yoga. Believe me here, what I could not do in the industry for many years, I was able to do it very quickly with machine learning, and I fell in love with machine learning instantly. And next big thing I want to talk about is Python programming. And it's a wonderful programming language. It's very powerful, yet it is very flexible and simple. First time I came across Python programming, I was really stunned at the simplicity of it. And in fact, after that, I was continuously doing Python programs for next almost 2 months. You might have heard of GUI. GUI is a website. So I registered into GUI and started solving many problems in Python. And my ranking in the GUI in the beginning was like 7,000 plus, but I reached 50 odd ranking in just about 3 or 4 weeks. And I could have reached top 10, but I didn't want to because my journey was different. I wanted to learn machine learning. Next, I did a lot of things with scikit-learn. You can learn NumPy and Pandas and go deep into scikit-learn. There are many resources available in the net, and you can actually solve those problems, execute those problems yourself. That way, I found that is the best way to learn faster than others. And this is not going to be enough. I also took courses like Coursera by Andrew Ng. Also, I have done BITS Pilani work integrated training program. in machine learning. I found there are lots of courses online in machine learning, and I found some of them are very expensive, like 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs. My suggestion is please don't go for them. And there are also courses which are like 50,000, 60,000. I would say don't go for them either. And because many of them are not hands-on, they are like based on recorded videos, and students don't learn that much as they can actually do. I don't find that these are actually value for money. So what we want to do is offer courses at a much more affordable prices, but give the same level of knowledge, same level of experience. And basic funda is when you go through the courses, you should feel confident that you are able to solve challenging problems in machine learning. Those should be hands-on, where you are actually executing many programs on weekly basis.